guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a Dodge Dart and your AC compressor doesn't work guys, okay, we will explain guys what could be the reason for that. You can probably fix it just for a couple bucks guys, and we will explain what needs to be done. A few dollars and you have a good working compressor again. For that purpose you will need to remove the AC compressor, and you will need to guys actually drain the refrigerant out of the system. Some people can, okay, sometimes you can even remove it on the car, but you still have to vacuum your system. Okay, that means that you have to remove all the freon and you don't have any pressure, because if you remove the part that we're talking about, what will happen? All the freon will come under enormous amount of pressure. It can hurt you, it can blind you, it can kill you guys, and you're going to kill the ozone. So make sure the system is empty. You can go to a shop and they can remove all the freon for you to recycle it. Now as you can see guys, the engine is out of the car. Why? Because we will have more than 200 videos guys on this Dodge Dart and more than 100 videos on that engine alone. Our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's start on it now. So right here, this is the compressor, and as I said, it can be done with the compressor guys on the engine. But one thing, if you have freon guys, it can seriously hurt you, so be careful. We removed it so we can show you guys how to do everything the correct way. Right here, okay, this is your compressor. This is your clutch on the front. Those are the wires for the clutch. You have a clutch coil that activates the clutch. We have a video how to test that one and know if it's good or if it's not. If the clutch is good guys, relay is good, fuse is good for the AC, you have pressure switch is good, all that. We'll have a video how to diagnose the system guys and find out what's wrong. There is one little thing, it's called pressure solenoid guys. This is the one that does everything inside the compressor. So how you guys remove that thing? If that thing goes bad, your compressor will not work, and usually older vehicles or vehicles with higher miles can experience that. You need snap ring removal too guys. Okay, all that will be in the description of the video below. We're going to go ahead and remove the snap ring there. Always use eye protection guys. Why? Because okay, that thing can severely hurt you guys. Okay, it can pop out of there. So we need to switch our pliers. Okay, they can go different ways, expand or compress. So we need to compress that ring, okay, to get it out. Okay, I'm going to show you. The light is a little bit weird here, trying to focus. We're getting our pliers ready. Get it on the snap ring. Compress it, pull it out, right there. Now we need to get a flathead screwdriver and gently pry that thing up. Careful not to break it inside. Okay, let's move the finger a little bit out of the way because we cannot show you guys with a good detail how to do things. Okay, pull it out like that. And this is guys your solenoid switch right here, pressure solenoid. So that's how you guys remove it. We will have in the description of the video below where you can buy one from if you need one. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you doing that repair. Putting it together, it's in reverse order we took it apart. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.